If you're in the market for solar panels, there are three main factors to consider. The first is what type of panel to buy. Currently, the three main options are monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin film. Essentially, monocrystalline panels have the longest life and are the most efficient at roughly 20%. The downside to monocrystalline panels is that they are typically the most expensive and don't work when partially covered with shade, dirt, or snow. Polycrystalline panels are generally cheaper but less efficient at 13 to 16%. Thin film panels are currently the least efficient at roughly 10%, but the manufacturing process makes them the cheapest and allows for flexible panels. The second factor to consider is how much energy you need to produce. If you're unsure what your power usage is going to be, our Designing Your Green Power System video breaks down the basics. Once you've estimated your daily watt-hour requirements, you can get an idea for how many solar panels you'll need by dividing your estimated daily watt-hours by the number of peak sunlight hours you get in your area. For example, if you'll be using 8,000 watt-hours per day in an area that gets 6 hours of peak sunlight, you'll need enough solar panels to produce 1,600 watts an hour. The third factor to consider is where you plan on mounting your panels. Compare panel dimensions to the size of your planned mounting location, determine what mounting hardware you're going to need, and sketch your plan out on paper. If you're planning on mounting panels on your roof, make sure to consider the location of vents and chimney pipes, and remember that you may need to occasionally access the panels for cleaning or snow removal. If you have any questions about a project you're working on, please feel free to reach out to myself or Axel through tinylifesupply.com.